right, everybody, I'm back with another one of my amazing instructional videos. So I'd like you to have 4 colored pencils. Today I'm going to be using blue, red, green, and yellow. We're going to start by filling in our key on the side. I for insulin, G for glucose, insulin receptors. We're just going to keep it simple and make them look like this. And we're also going to add on a glucose channel. So basically, we need insulin made by our pancreas because it acts like a key which opens up our cells, allowing them to receive glucose. Why is glucose important? It's the fuel that our cells need. Oh, let's also fill in this key. So insulin acts like a key. The receptor is the lock on your cell. And then we also have a door, just go ahead and add that one in, a door on your cell. So here we have our bloodstream. So you know you have your plasma, your liquidy portion of your blood, red blood cells, white blood cells, and all kinds of good stuff is floating around inside of there. On your cells, we have insulin receptors. We'll just add one to each side. In real life, there's going to be more than this. And then you're also going to have a glucose channel. So in response to eating something like a carbohydrate, your body will break it down, put it in your bloodstream as glucose. Makes it readily available to your cells. There's also storage forms of glucose. The pancreas is then going to pump insulin into the bloodstream. So these are just molecules that are floating around in the plasma or the liquidy portion of the bloodstream. So in order for these cells to receive fuel, insulin will meet with the receptor. So let's do that first. So they will actually leave the bloodstream, and that will allow glucose to make its way through the glucose channel and enter into the cell. So that's what's happening in a healthy body. So the 2 types of diabetes basically interrupt this system in the body. So type 1 diabetes is little or no insulin. Where type 2 diabetes, in many cases, it's the insulin receptors that are blocked, often with a fatty type substance. So imagine putting gum into a lock. You wouldn't be able to get the key in the lock if there was gum in it. So that's kind of what's happening with a lot of cases of type 2 diabetes.